Hi guys, I'm going to make omelette today, but we are going to make it in the microwave and it's very easy. Let me show you how to make it. These are the ingredients. So I have beaten the eggs nicely so that it becomes fluffy. Beat it nicely and shredded Parmesan cheese, pickled sun-dried tomato and pickled jalapenos. I'm going to add it. Add the cheese. Mix it nicely. It's like this. So nicely beaten eggs, jalapenos, pickled sun-dried tomatoes, and cheese. You don't have to add salt or pepper. I'm going to keep this in the microwave for 1 minute and 40 seconds. It's out of the microwave. See, it looks like this. I'm going to plate it. See, nice and fluffy. Let me taste it. Very tasty, healthy, and very easy. Bye.